Welcome back. Oil spillage menace is seen on the most of the shores in Goa. Black tar-like residue has been washed ashore on beaches of Kalangut, Kandoli and Baga. In South Goa, oil spillage was seen at Banauli, Kolva and Kharivada in Vasco. Fishermen and tourists are distressed with the menace.
Have a look at this. Oil is washed ashore on Goan beaches. The oil spill has blackened the beaches. This oil is a result of flushing of oil in deep sea by the ships and boats. This kind of activity is detrimental to marine life.
Now people are objecting for a mechanism beach cleaning. I don't know why. How to collect that? How to collect? कशें करपाचें? आमच्या हातान टारबॉल काडपाक मेळटा. That is why we wanted to have that mechanical machines. Some people are objecting. ते कुल्ल्यो मरतल्यो आनी कितें मरतल्यो. आमी बिचार चलताना पळयल्या की आमी चलपाचो जर वास हे सुद्दां लागलो न्ही जाल्यार त्यो कुल्ल्यो पळटा आनी ही सिस्टम जी आसा ही सिस्टम आख्ख्या जगभर चलता.
Black residue was seen on beaches of Kalangut, Kandoli and Baga in North Goa.
Tar balls has surfaced on the beach. आमच्या शिंकेरी, कांदोलीम, कलांगूट, बागा या बिचाचेर टार बॉल्स येयल्ल्या. हे व्हडले शिप्स जे आमचे गोंया मर्मगा हाबरार येता वो भायर जे चलयता हे सगळे बर्न्ट ऑयल जे आहा ते डायरेक्ट दर्यान उडयतात. हेचेर गव्हर्मेंटान खंय तरी म्हाका दिसता दे विल हॅव टू डू अ स्टडी ऑन दीस एंड टेक अ जॉयंट मीटिंग विथ ऑल द people who have registered ships in Goa and also in the neighboring states.
Oil spillage was seen on shores of Kolva and Banauli too. The fisher folks complained of black tar harming their feet. The visitors said tourists should refrain from going on the shore.
जर तू दर्याचे उदक पळय सध्या ते सगळे अशे ऑयलीन अशे ऑयलीचे लेयर येयल्लो आसा. ते खंय तरी जे लोक येता पळय ते पळोवपाक गेल्यार दुसरे म्हणल्यार ते सगळे ऑयल उदकान न्हाता तेन्ना सगळे ऑयल चेक करून तांकां एक अशे विचित्रच तांकां फील जावन ते टुरिस्ट उदक कमी जाता.
Now have a look at the situation at Kharivada in Vasco.
देंवपाक खूब त्रास जाता आनी आजकाल पोटा खातीर काम करूंक वयता नुस्तें धरूंक वयता ते खूब प्रॉब्लम जाता आनी सर भुरग्यांची हॉलिडे आहा ते न्हांवंक येता तांकां न्हांवंक गावना. हेजेर कितें गव्हर्मेंटान म्युनिसिपालिटीन जो एमपीडीन कितें एक्शन घेवन हे सगळें क्लीन करचें आनी बीच आमचे क्लीन करून दिवचें.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
30 massage parlours have responded to the show cause notices by the Goa State Pollution Control Board. Board had issued closure notices to 51 massage parlours in North Goa. The notices have been issued to the parlours for operating without consent to operate permission under the Water Act and Air Act. Chairman of the board, Jose Manuel Narona, informed that South Goa parlours will be scrutinized after inspections in North Goa. There are about 65 massage parlours in Goa. Pollution Control Board has issued show cause notices to 51 parlours for not having the consent to operate permission. In all, only 14 massage parlours had the required permission, whereas remaining parlours have been asked to stop functioning.
Yeah, we have actually selected parlours from the north of Goa. As per our records, there are 65 parlours in the north of Goa. Of these 65, 14 had a valid consent issued by the Pollution Control Board. The balance of 51 spas, we issued them in fact closure directions under section 31A of the Environment Protection Act, and we have asked them to suspend their operations until they obtain a valid consent from the Pollution Control Board.
Around 30 massage parlours have responded to show cause notices issued by the GSPCB. Board is expected to send its team for inspection at site in the next week. Board will then take decision regarding functioning of the parlours having requisite permissions.
As of today, about 30 out of the 51 have already approached the board and applied for a consent. We will study their application, send a team for inspection, and if all is in order, we will issue them the consent.
Board is also scrutinizing affairs of the South Goa massage parlours. As compared to North Goa, South Goa has less number of massage parlours. Most of the parlours are a part of the luxury hotels. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. Narendra Modi held a meeting with the Prime Minister's officials on Wednesday. His main point on the agenda was to resolve people's grievances on fast-track basis. Modi also indicated to the PMO that he would like his office to consider issues raised by the states on priority and with sensitivity. Modi said India's progress lies in the progress of the states. Narendra Modi was given a detailed presentation on the structure and functions of the PMO. Modi articulated that India's progress lies in the progress of the states. Modi further mentions to resolve people's grievances on fast-track basis, to leverage modern tech and develop systems, to consider issues raised by states on priority and with sensitivity. India's progress lies in progress of the state, addressing concerns raised by people's representatives personally, teamwork to bring good governance, encouraged officials for free interaction with him. Bureau Report, Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.